Welcome to the library's online tutorial on Academic Search Complete. In the tutorial we will look at what is Academic Search Complete, how you can find information on Academic Search Complete relevant to your subject, what you can do on Academic Search Complete with the information you have found. So, what is Academic Search Complete and where can you find it? Well, it's a library database. A database is an organised collection of information or data, generally grouped by topic. You will find it in several places on the library website. You can search Academic Search Complete using Library Search from the library homepage. However, if you want to search this database specifically, you will need to go to the A to Z of databases under Quick Links. You will find Quick Links in the sidebar on the left of the library homepage. In the A to Z list of databases, you can select the first letter of the database you are looking for. In this instance, it is the first on the list anyway. Take a moment to read the brief description given under Academic Search Complete. It is a multidisciplinary database covering a large range of material in the social sciences and humanities. It includes over 21,000 journals and other publications. Approximately 40% of the journals are full text. The content includes over 13,600 indexed and abstracted journals, nearly 9,000 full-text journals, full text for more than 7,900 peer-reviewed journals, PDF content dating back as far as 1887, searchable cited references provided for more than 1,460 journals, and it is updated daily. We will now look in more detail at this now. Click the underlined name Academic Search Complete. The first page we see is the Advanced Search screen. This is a good place to start. Enter words to search in the search boxes on the top left, and in the boxes opposite, choose where these words should be found, for example, title of the article. The words you choose and how you combine is a very important part of your searching. This is especially so with a broad multidisciplinary database such as Academic Search Complete. You could go ahead at this stage and click Search, or you could look at the search options below the green bar. A very useful one is Apply Related Words. Other options include limiting the search to just full text, scholarly journals, or narrowing down your results by date. There are several other options on this screen. You could explore these too. Click Search. If for any reason the results displayed are not suitable, you have a number of choices. Modify your search by retyping in the boxes above. Look at the blue panel on the left. This provides an easy and efficient way to refine your search. You can move the date bar to specify dates covered. Clicking on the blue arrow for subject gives a breakdown of the subjects covered in the results. If you choose this, then click Show More for a detailed breakdown. You can then tick the subjects in which you have an interest. Looking at the results list, you can sort the order in which they are displayed. See the blue horizontal bar in the middle. By default, they are sorted by relevance. This means that the articles where the words searched occur most frequently are listed at the top. Another useful option here is to sort by source, i.e. sort by the title of the journal in which the article was published. Looking at individual articles, if you click on underlined title to read, it will give you the reference details and, if available, a summary of the article. Or, when the full article is available, you will see a PDF logo. Click on this to read it. There are several options for saving. If you want to save the bibliographic details of an article, one way is to click the little folder icon. You can see this for each article at the bottom left-hand side. Then, at any stage, you can then click on Folder View on the top right-hand side to see your saved article list. You can then choose Print, Email Citation, Save as File, which you do using My EBSCOhost, more about this in a moment, or Export. What's really useful is to store your saved items in the folder for a future session by signing into My EBSCO-host. More about this in a moment. Remember, we are talking about the details of articles at this stage. If you want to save the full text of an article, you can do this by clicking on the PDF logo, opening it as a PDF, and then choosing the option to save on the PDF screen. My EBSCO-host is your own personal account for Academic Search Complete and any of the other library databases provided by this supplier, EBSCO. You will need to create a new account the first time you want to save items. Then, among other things, you will be able to organize your work in folders, save and retrieve your search history, create email alerts and/or an RSS feed. You can also share your folders with others, view others' folders, and gain access to your saved searches remotely. There are several other ways to use Academic Search Complete. Choose these from the main menu on the blue bar at the top of the screen. One is to look at the Academic Search Complete publications. Type your relevant words in the single browse box at the top of the new page. Choose alphabetical order, subject and description, or match any words. Click Browse. The results list gives you initial details and the option to set up an RSS feed. Clicking on the underlined title brings you into the publication. Another useful approach is to browse by subject, place, or people. Click Subject Terms, see the top blue bar. Click Subject, Places, or People in the lower blue bar. Again, type your relevant words in the single browse box at the top of the new page. Choose words begins with, contains, or order of relevance for display. Click Browse. Tick one or more of the results and then click the Add button. To run a subject search against the main database, click the Search button. You can also click on any of the results to view notes, broader, narrower, or related words. There are 4 other excellent ways to search Academic Search Complete. The Cited References search, which is useful for more advanced searching. This will find you cited references and citing articles. Click More on the blue menu bar for the other 3. Images. It's important to note that your search words must match exactly a word in the title or caption of an image. Academic Search Complete has more than 180,000 images relating to people, natural science, places, history, and flags. You can print or save to disk. The third other use is a citation matcher. When your information is incomplete or incorrect, this is a good option. Lastly, indexes. See the drop-down arrow to select index to search. Continue as for subject search as we looked at earlier. Academic Search Complete has a very wide-ranging and excellent help. Having clicked on Help at the top right-hand corner, then see the list along the side. One approach could be to click any of the choices listed along the left-hand side, for example searching, browsing, or viewing results. Or you could choose EBSCO tutorials in the Welcome section. Many of those listed would help you build further on some of what we have looked at here.